Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So for this video we're going to be creating the origami, I think it's called Pedestal bowl. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna fold it into a triangle first. The reason we're folding into a triangle is so that we can make a square. Go ahead and fold it this way. You can go this way either, or the other way. You just want to fold the line down. Right now I'm making a rough estimate as to where the line's supposed to be. Feeling for it. And see if it matches. So far, for the most part, it's good. Not right here. So I'm gonna move it back a bit. Okay, go ahead and fold it this way. We're gonna create that triangle again. Hopefully it's good. Yeah. Now that we've done it, we're gonna go ahead and fold everything to the middle. So we're gonna try to create a very nice fold here. And build off of it. Continuing on. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is open the flap and then bend this here, but we're gonna make a pinch fold. So when we bend it down here, we're just gonna pinch right here. And then we're gonna do it for the rest. Give us the ability to set up our next fold for sure. So yeah, it's super important that you're doing this step. Okay, now that we have this, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna fold the tip to this line. So let's see, let me show you. So we're gonna fold, let's say this side. I'm gonna fold it to this line specifically. Make sure it's lined up. Zoom in to make sure. I don't know if you can see it, but the line right here and the line right here are lined up. And then you just fold it all the way down. Let me just make sure that this is correct. So you don't fold it all the way down, you fold it all the way to, I would say, let's say if we're folding it all the way. Actually, yeah, fold it all the way. Let me fold it a bit and then correct you guys. So bear with me. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we folded it like this, but I'm gonna draw out the lines that really matter here. I hope you guys saw that. I basically just moved this and then fold it to the line right here, the crease that we made right here, and then fold it down. I did it on all four sides. So anyways, so what's happening is that, let's say we're using this box right here, right? So this box, we're gonna deal with this line right here. This line right here. This line right here. And then this line right here. Alright, I found out how to do it. So, to make it easy on you guys, an important thing to do is when we created this square, go ahead and in each corner, fold down to the middle. I don't know if it's possible, but in each corner, fold down to the middle. In order to do that, this is what I did. So I pinched this side and this side, right? And then I just bent it this way. And then I pinched, and then I moved this like, let me zoom in, because it's difficult to explain. So I pinched it this side, and then it creates this weird effect, right? So what I did then is I moved it this side and this side. I was like, okay, this is stuck, right? When you pinch the lines this way and this way, you're stuck in this. So what you have to do then is stretch it out. Be careful. Just stretch this whole thing out right here. And then once you do, you can press it down. And then it will form a box. Just like that. It is hard but I hope you guys understood. And then the next step that you do is you move it, and then we're gonna fold this back this way. But keep in mind, we want this to be folded this way. So when you fold it back this way, we want this to be folded this way. Just to make sure. Yes, we want it to be folded in this way. So let's do it ourselves. So we're gonna fold it this way. And then we're gonna put it underneath this flap. And then we're gonna do the same for this side. We're gonna fold it like this. Let me zoom in to make sure you guys know how I'm folding it. You want it to fold it in a way where it's 90 degrees, if at all possible, because that's how we're gonna go and put it inside. Hopefully it fits. It's gonna be hard if it doesn't fit, but we're trying our best here. And that's how you create that flap. And then you do it for this one. Make sure you fold it this way. Keep that 90-degree angle because it's important. And then fold it underneath. And then to the next one. Don't be afraid to improvise the fold. It's fine. It's not all gonna be perfect. But that's the beauty of origami. Not everything is perfect, but art is still being made. So, yeah. Fold it this way. Make sure it's like 90 degrees. And then, yeah, fold it in like that. So it should create a lock type style where everything is locked underneath this, like this box right here. And then the next thing you do is literally just fold this box in like that. And fold this out a bit. Fold this out a bit. Fold this out a bit. And fold this out a bit. Like that. And you'll get as you deal with, I believe, going like this. So it goes in like this. Make sure you fold this. So that makes more sense. Basically, we're going in like this.
I couldn't find my face in your Apple Music library.
Okay. Siri be on something sometimes. Anyways, yeah, you continue to go like this. Continue to go like this. Yeah, based on the thing, that's basically it. I don't know what to call it. I called it a bowl pedestal because it looked like one. But yeah, we basically created it. This is the end product of the bowl pedestal. I just need like this thing. And other than that, yeah, just it just creates itself. It's supposed to like round up like that, I think. Like something amazing. So I just rounded it up like this. You can even customize it where like you put cool corners on each side. And yeah, you have yourself a pedestal bowl. It's a very weird thing, but it is what it is. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day.